Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shivansh Tech guys. I hope you all are doing well practicing your Autocad learning sessions. Guys, in our previous tutorials we have understand the arc length dimension. How we can measure the arc length of any arc. So we have understand. Today we are going to understand the radius command, radius dimension. How we can measure the radius of any circle. Or we will also try to understand the diameter of circle. Means today we will understand the circle dimensions. If we have any circle, let's draw a circle here. As a so how we can give the dimension to this circle? Today we will understand. So for understanding better, watch the complete video till the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. Alright guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. For the dimension to this circle, we need to go into the dimension command bar and we need to select radius command from here. As I just select radius, this is asking for the select arc or circle. As I just clicked here and I placed anywhere where we wanna place the dimension, we can see the radius, the circle of radius 138.49. This is the radius of this circle. Alright guys, I hope you understand the radius of this circle. And if you wanna activate the radius command by using short key, so you can enter D I M R then space. Now again this is asking to select arc or circle. I just click here and we can say again the same dimension has been created. Let's draw one more circle of like a small circle we have draw, and on that activate the radius dimension DIMR then space. If I select circle or arc, I just select this and where you can see this is of 43.04 radius. Circle is of 43.04. Alright guys, I hope you understand how we can give the radial dimension to any circle. Alright guys, now we will understand the diametral dimension. If you wanna give the dimension in diametral, so how we can give? Let's draw one circle again. I just clicked here and I draw a circle here. Let's draw one more circle. We will give the dimension to both of these circles. I just go into the dimension and I just select diameter command from here. Now as you can see, this is asking for select arc or circle. The same procedure we need to follow that we did on the radial dimension. I just click here and we placed anywhere. This is the sign of dia, the circle, and that has been cut by a line. This is the sign of a diameter of circle, and this circle is of diameter 88.16 dia. Alright guys, and if you wanna activate the diametral dimension by using short key, so you can enter D I M D and space. Once you enter D I M D then space, the diametral dimension has been activated. Now we just need to click on circle, and as we can see there is a dimension has been created and I just clicked where I wanna placed. Let's activate once again. I just click here and we can see this circle is of 135.04 dimension. The diameter of this circle is 135.04. Alright guys, I hope you understand how can you give the dimension to any circle or how you can give the diametral dimension or radial dimension to any circle. If you like the video, please like and share the video and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell.